Welcome to the Fusionware bulk process overview. We're going to log in here and get started, first going into settings, and then we're going to go to customer vendors growers and go to fields. And I've already created the field, so I'm just going to look it up, and we're doing pinto beans today. So I'm going to go into my pinto bean field. And I don't have very much in here. There's only a couple things that we have to put in: the year and a unique lot number. It cannot be duplicated. And something you always need to do, scroll to the right. Let's do pinto beans for a commodity, and then we're going to go to the right and make sure and click the plus button. It will not save without that. And once we've done that, you can click the greater than sign there to the left, and you can see we have all these extra fields that have opened up. Now we're going to go and take a look at our storages. And it's going to show up there. This one I created ahead of time, and I added the capacity for it. Now we're going to go to our receiving board and add a receiving. So now we need to add from our field to our storage. And we do this through receiving. We're going to do raw goods fields. Now I'm going to grab that field or lot number, and it's going into the pinto bean storage. And then commodity autofills, I'm going to put in some weight here, 100,000 pounds. And you don't need a lightweight. Now you can see we've got this receiving created. We're going to go into that storage and look at that storage, and now it's going to show that the storage that we've added something to it. And so instead of being zero capacity, it will show us that we have 100,000 pounds in and 100,000 pounds available to go out. And since we don't have any orders that pull against that, we need to go create one. So we're going to go to our order board and do an add order. So the first thing in here, we're going to go and change the commodity to pinto beans. And we're going to change the origin now to the packing shed. And the vendor is vendor one. That's who we tied to, that field. Customer, whoever you want, we'll just do an example here. Walmart, destination, we'll do another Walmart. Maybe Walmart in London. Don't need to worry about the contract for what we're doing. And we're going to put in our quantity and ship date. And then our delivery date. We're going to save this. Now we're in the order. First thing we want to check is we want to expand this and do what's called advanced options. And vendor, this is also refers to the grower that's tied to this storage that comes from that field. But now it's in the storage, and we want to make sure that we toggled that. And we need to accept the order. And now that we've accepted the order, we can go and click on the header, and we can copy the information over so we don't have to type it. Everything's looking good. We can add whatever else we want. Our vendor looks good. Now we're going to go back to our order board. I created another order as well that you'll see. So I've got two in there, both of them at 40,000 pounds. We're going to go back to the storage, and we're going to expand out. And first we need to refresh. So we're going to go back to the filters and refresh that. And now you'll see we've got both of those weights drawing against that 80,000 pounds out. To the far right, that we have 20,000 pounds left that we can pull out of that storage. This concludes the bulk process overview tutorial. Thanks for watching.